My name is Orji. I undergo an internship with Fortray Global Service. Fortray Global Service is a managed service provider. They help provide IT support services, cloud-based services, and cybersecurity services for their clients here in the UK and across the globe. I was actually fortunate and opportune to work as an intern there in Fortray. During my time in Fortray, I actually gained hands-on experience, even through the use of labs and other materials that were provided for me to gain more technical knowledge and also customer service knowledge. During my time in Fortray, I was actually opportune to work with a great colleague that put me through in everything I have to do as an IT support. Before then, I had challenges when it comes to technical aspect of computing, DHCP server and DNS server, configuration of network and the rest of them. But through their tutelage and classes and through their expertise, I was actually privileged to overcome this fear and challenges when it comes to IT support. They also have a well-resourced personnel and also materials that help me in my day-to-day growth and transition from a non-IT background down to an IT background. Currently, I have a job with a reputable organization as an IT support technician, all thanks to Fortray for their continuous support and assistance in achieving this. In addition to what I just said, before now, I found it difficult to understand PowerShells and CDM commands, but with my engagement in Fortray and the help of their professional advisors and tutors, I'm opportune. I'm very privileged. I'm very happy to say that now I can actually use the PowerShell commands in pinging network and actually getting the IP addresses and also in flushing DNS and also renewing of DHCP server IP addresses. So all these are actually made possible from my learning with Fortray Global Service, and they actually come highly recommended, as I am very happy to recommend their service to my friends because they are one of a kind. They provide hands-on experience, they provide moral support and also customer service support in terms of knowing what to do and how to do it, and also to make sure that you grow in your career path. They help to develop people who has that eagerness and that zeal to be an IT support technician or engineer, even with zero technical based experience, and they help you from the foundation so that you can actually climb to that ladder. Fortray Global Service Management is actually a good place to be as they help you achieve this goal. Thank you very much.